Welcome to qnawire.
All right, so I'm using a program called GeoGebra, which is free and open source. You can just go to geogebra.org. It's a really nice little software program for geometry. And what I'm going to do is just use the polygon tool to create a triangle here. And so what's nice about this is once we create the triangle, then we can rearrange it. So we can just like grab these points and move them around, and it'll adjust the triangle in real time. So what we're interested in here is the size of the angles on this triangle. So what I can actually do is use the angle tool to measure them. So we can say here angle AB, oops, and I went the wrong way. So let me just hit undo. Let's go this way, angle CBA. There's that one right there. And then we can do angle BAC. There's that angle there. And then angle ACB. And there's that angle there. And you can see that if you kind of like look at these numbers, you got about 55 there. This one's about, well, now my C is in the way. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so we've got about 95, 50, almost 3, and about 33 there. So that seems like these are adding up to around 180. And if we drag these, we'll find similar numbers. We can actually have the computer do a little bit of work for us. So what I'm going to do is just click in here to the settings. And I'm just going to change the name of these. It's a little easier to work with. So I'm going to rename A as just alpha, I'm going to call A, and then beta, I'll just call B, and then I don't even know what that letter is. I'll call it C. So now I've got angles A, B, and C, and then I can ask the computer to say, hey, what is, I'll call it sum, and I'll make it A. Whoops, that's not an equal sign. Sum is A plus B plus C. Oh, look at that. We get 180 there. That's this A, B, and C being added right here. So the sum is 180. And of course, if I grab my, let's see, I want to get my move tool again, and I'll bring that back up so we can see the sum. So as I drag these around, you can see that all of these angles are changing, right? But the sum is still 180. So what is this showing us? Well, it's showing us that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees as long as we're in Euclidean space. But that's a topic for another video.